I have 10 kitchen gadgets that you cannot live without. Anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below, and the number will correspond with the number on screen, starting with number 10. And by the way, these make for great gift ideas too. These are things that you will actually use in your kitchen. I love these. It came with all of these in a pack. They're amazing. They're super cool, satisfying, and functional. That's the best part about it. So this came with 6 in a pack. I have 5 shown here in all different colors. Let me show you how to use these. Can you guess what they are? You can use these basically in any place in your house, but the kitchen is a very prominent spot. All you have to do is tuck whatever you need to inside there, shut your door. The next time that you need it, it's right here. You can pull it out easily. Sponge holder, no need to attach a big bar across your cabinet and ruin it. You can also use these in your shower. This is super clever, but make sure it's turned the correct way that you would want to A, stick your toothbrush, or B, you could stick your razor in there. Or just use it in your entryway to hang some keys. Each back comes with a sticky peely that you can see here. This has not damaged my cabinets. If for some reason this does leave a little residue when you want to remove it, just use a little Goo Gone. This works on everything, even clothes. Well, since we're here, and I know another problem area is under your sink, this organizer is absolutely awesome. This drawer right here actually pulls out, so you can put a lot of stuff in the back, which is really, really nice. And then it also came with these hooks, so you can hang your gloves on them to dry on the outside, and these just move around easily, but you can see all the items that I'm able to fit in this very nice organizer, and it fits perfectly underneath here. In our number 8 spot is probably one of my favorites, and it's this contraption right here. Can you guess what this is? Yes, this is a pancake muffin dispenser, whatever you name it. It's sealed very nicely. You can see it down there. This was left over, so I can reuse it the next day to make pancakes if we did not use up all the batter. The other nice thing is when you take off the top here, and once you squeeze it, you just stick it on here so any excess can drip in at the bottom. It also has measuring on the side of the pancake dispenser. It holds up to 4 cups. That way you do not need to get a separate bowl to mix your pancake batter in. I mix everything right in here in this beautiful functional kitchen gadget. And with that, you will make perfectly shaped pancakes every single time, especially if you are using the molds. You can just squirt your batter right in there. In our number 7 spot are these bag cutter and sealers. And yes, it came with 3 in a pack. And what's really nice is you can hang these for easy organization, so I could just easily pop one in here on one of the hooks and put it there if I wish. Let's say you have a bag that you want to trim down to save space and seal it so that your chips last longer and are super fresh. On one side there's a minus, and on the other side there is a plus. On the minus side, can you see that tiny little blade poking up right there? Yep. Let me show you. It does require 2 batteries, but I love using the rechargeable ones, especially if you have a lot of batteries that you use around your house. This one's really nice because it does have the indicator lights on it in terms of how much battery life is in each battery when you pop them in there. The clip easily pops off the top, and when you're ready to seal, just hold this down for about 5 seconds just to create a little heat in there. Get as much air out of the bag as you can, and you're just gonna pinch and then move along each side of the bag. You can see that I've already sealed this side of the bag, so let's go ahead and seal the other side of the bag. Put that on there and then hold with, it does require 2 hands, and then you're going to pull across your bag like so. And then when you open it up, you can see that it's completely sealed, airtight. When you're ready to reopen your bag, just use the pointy side again. When you're done, all you have to do is put the little hook on there, let it snap into place. Good to go. These would be great for camping too. Cords, cords, and more cords. Thumbs up if you have a lot of cords in your house. I'm gonna solve a problem for you. I love these kitty cat cord organizers. You can wrap things around that are small. You can wrap things around and secure them for things that are larger, such as big extension cords or Christmas lights. It came with a ton in a pack. I love the different colors, and the design is just super cute as well. Never have a disorganized cord drawer again. You can basically use these to wrap anything, not just your cords. And I just checked, many of these items are actually on sale right now. Also, be sure to apply the coupon whenever you see this available on Amazon. So if you're interested in any of these items, make sure you don't wait. Let's talk about another super helpful cord organizer. On the this little crock pot right here. Yeah, rather than having this long cord just draping along, what I can do is just quickly wrap this on the back. I believe these are #1 bestseller. I bought multiple packs of these. I use it on my steamer. You can see here that I use it on my crock pot. Many people will often use it on their mixer. So anytime you have a long cord that needs to be tucked, this is your best bet. This is super sticky, and again, this gets hot and this is still stuck to the back. Amazing. Let's talk about another #1 bestseller, and that is this pizza cutter. I wanted something that was compact and didn't have a long handle that water would get trapped in, and I wanted it to be protective. You can see this is a blade cover. All you have to do is flip that open when you're ready to cut up your pancakes using your pancake dispenser that I showed you. This just pops open for easy cleaning. You can see right here it says open, so you just open it up, you take your pieces out, and then you clean them. Just 3 pieces, super easy to put back together as well. Pop that back on, and you're good to go for the next time you make something delicious. Well, while we're here, let's talk about these magnetic spoons. These are an amazing gift idea, and you're gonna love them for yourself. They come in multiple different designs. The best part about these is that there are 2 sizes depending upon the size of your spice jar. Very nice, right? And it's easy just to wipe these down, wash them up, and put them away when you're done. In our #3 spot is this electric lighter. What's nice, this also hangs. I love the end on here to protect everything depending upon where you want to store it. Easily bendable so you can get inside any sort of candle. All you have to do, charge it up, flip this button up, and then when you're ready, push this one down. Let me show you how it works. Amazing. When you're done, turn off the button, and then here on the side is how you charge it, and it came with the charging cord. And in our #2 spot, with the new year approaching, many people will have New Year's resolutions, is this beautiful salad spinner. All you have to do is put your lettuce in there, rinse it out with water, and then this is where the magic happens. You put this lid on top, and you can see you can fit a lot in there. Press down. I mean, this is just fun to do. It kind of reminds me of the O Cedar mop. And then it will wring out your lettuce, and once it's all done, all you have to do is dump the excess water in your sink, and then you'll have your beautiful fresh lettuce. By the way, I do run a fitness channel here on YouTube. If you love quick and effective home workouts, I have a link in the description box below. And in our #1 spot, when it comes to kitchen gadgets you cannot live without, it's this coffee cup warmer. Now, I did buy the #1 best-selling coffee cup warmer. You can see right here, and between these, I have to say that the previous one was actually my favorite and should be a #1 bestseller over this one. I love it. You can see right there, I have it plugged in. That way I do not have to drink out of a thermos. I love my coffee mugs. You can see that lit up purple. This comes in multiple colors, and then when you take a drink, you pop it on off. You will never have cold coffee again, nor will you have to reheat your coffee in your microwave like a million times. By the way, if you want to know why you should be putting saran wrap in your microwave, click the video on screen now, or if you love more amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.